Welcome to the channel. This one had been on my list for a while. I would have liked a new type, but it's also interesting to see how the very old versions perform. This copy is from 1954. So very good. The older types often lack the coatings, and the contrast is less. Still, it's nice to work with this lens on my bellows to get extremely close. Real macro is possible. This lens was in a bad condition. Fortunately, I was able to get to all lens parts to clean everything well, with no fungus and no etching. Only some minor cleaning scratches on the rear element.